What's up, back to a new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mug cake. So I have my mug and I have all my ingredients. Let me lift up the camera. I got a new stand for the camera. So all my ingredients are over here. So I'm now lock the camera back on its place, and now I'm going to make everything. So first I'm going to start with the dry ingredients, then all the wet ingredients. So first you have to put the cocoa powder, so about 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. So I'm going to put all the cocoa powder. Okay. Then a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Then some jaggery sugar, about 1 spoon. And then you need to put about 1 tablespoon of flour. So this is eggless and it doesn't even have water. So first I'm going to mix everything up, all the dry ingredients. So it should look like that. So I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients up. Now to the wet ingredients, which are only 2. So you need to put about 1 teaspoon of butter. So teaspoon means you can just like take this from the block of butter, like do that, which I did. So you look at that. So I'm going to put this in. And then you have to put all the milk. It is about 3 to 4 tablespoons, if you, or more. You can put more. You have to put more than 3 to 4 tablespoons. I put a lot more. So let's do this. So mine is a little bit too watery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of flour. So I'm going to take this. I'm going to go add a little flour. So I bought the flour. I'm going to put the flour in. I'm going to mix it up. Okay. So this is now perfect. If you want, you can make it thicker, but if it's thicker, it shouldn't be thick so thick that that's like in the middle of all this, like it gets stuck. Okay, so it should look a little like this, okay, done. Now these are all of the ingredients. Now I have to put in the chocolates. I'm going to put this. So I brought the chocolate. I'm going to use the Cadbury crackle. So I'm going to put this in. I'm putting little pieces. You can put like piece by piece, like 2 pieces. If you put, you can put like 2 pieces at once. Then you need to put this in. Then I'm going to lift up the camera. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Okay. Now I'm going to keep the whisk. And then you have to go place this in the and then you have to place this in the microwave side. So I'm here near the microwave. Oh, wait a second. Okay, so the microwave is over here. So I'll take this, put it over here. there is this inside this. Okay. So now I'm going to keep the microwave, the cup, the mustard in this. Turn that on. I'm going to keep on micro power 80. You also have to do the same. If you don't have micro power, just keep it for 60 seconds. And then 1 minute, start. Okay. So when it's down to about 25 seconds, you need to check on it. So it's now doing its thing. When it's on 27, you have to check because it might be a little bit overcooked. So I'll need to check. If it's not, then you have to wait for the 25 seconds to get over. Then add it for another 10 seconds. And it's about there. 25 seconds, a little over 25, and it looks good. See, you can see there is a little bit of batter left. So I'm going to put it back in there. Let it go. Let it do its thing. I'm just trying to adjust the camera, or should I say phone. Okay, so it smells good. It looks good. I'm going to now check if it's completely done. Doesn't need some more cooking, and you know what to do. You have to first. I'm going to set this camera over here. Take some skewers. I don't know where the skewers. Okay, I'm just going to take it to the plate. So I have a toothpick. So I'm going to check now. It looks like it's not done. Let me just check. So it looks like it's not done. A little bit too much light. Let me move the camera to about here. So it looks like it's not done. So I'm gonna put it in for some more time. About 20 seconds. Micro power. Now you have to put it on 50 and put it for another like 10 seconds. I'm gonna put it on 10. Okay, so it's done. Remove it from the microwave. Be careful at this point while removing from the microwave. Okay, I'm gonna check, and it's done. I'm going to throw away the toothpick. Okay, now I'm going to go decorate this thing. Smells good. You might be asking, Adrit, how are you going to decorate this? So, I have some sprinkles. As you can see, sprinkles. So I'm going to sprinkle this on. Get it? Sprinkle this on. It's done. So I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna try this. Obviously, with a spoon, that looks good. It's good, right? It's very good. The sprinkles taste good. I added strawberry and chocolate sprinkles. The chocolate, because it's the crackle, it has like little balls that melts and it gives another good taste. The chocolate that I put, which is the actual chocolate, I mean like the chocolate that is with the crackle thing, the balls, it has it heats up differently, so I mean like it's a little hot, so it's good. You can try it hot. I'm not going to because it's probably going to burn my mouth, but if you guys like hot, then try it. So I'm going to end this video right here. Hope you learned how to make a market. Comment down below if you did, and good. Bye.